Hi guys, welcome to our Quora, and this is part 2 of breaking myths about spirituality. So the fourth myth is that people think you need a guru to guide you into spirituality, make you understand the intricacies of spirituality. Well, that's not the case at all. You are your own guru, and let me tell you in advance, if you do need a guru to tell you how to live your life, you're already living it wrong. But are you even listening to yourself? We have kind of layered up our soul with so much of fear, anxiety, and doubt that it's sometimes very difficult to listen to that inner voice. While we are actually chasing temporary dopamine, that voice is trying to chase you and tell you that this is not what you want to chase. Now we come to the fifth myth, which is that people think that you have to make time for spirituality. First, achieve everything in life, go to your 9 to 5, have a perfect career, have a perfect marriage, and then when you are finally there, you get into spirituality. But if you actually reverse engineer people who have actually become the most successful versions of themselves, be it your definition of wealth, power, respect, they actually understood themselves first. They understood how the body is connected to the soul and how the soul is here on a journey. So spirituality comes first, so be it. Spirituality is the solution to achieving everything in your life. Now we come to the sixth myth, which is that people think spirituality is a lot about rituals. It's a lot about anti-clockwise, clockwise, and you have to have it correct if you have to have the outcome that you want from spirituality. So everyone wants a blessing, but no one wants to understand the intellect behind spirituality. It's the most scientific subject that humans should study, humans have been studying, and humans are meant to study. Spirituality is never fear mongering. Any divine that instills fear in you is just a human scarecrow. That's not the divine. Divine can only instill faith and belief in yourself. It can only make you understand that you are the solution to everything in your life. Nothing outside is sitting there to give you the solutions. That is spirituality. Follow for part 3 because this just becomes more interesting with time, just like spirituality.